Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well and enjoying the best condition of health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I talk about different colors and different designs of beautiful high heel sandals with different lengths for the ladies and the girls. So in this video, I am going to tell you about shining Miss Women sandals from all over European, Italian, Russian, English, United States, Taiwan, Mexico, Christians, different countries, high heel sandals for the ladies and the girls. Very elegant and attractive designs and stylish ideas with strappy, with beautiful nails, with beautiful beads, high heel sandals for the ladies. Red, white, black, blue, brown, purple, pink, golden, green, grey, different colors, high heel sandals for the ladies. Lovely and patent leather high heel sandals, elegant and block buckle and peep toe high heel sandals, stylish to high heel sandals for the ladies, sexy and pretty high heel sandals, metallic high heel sandals, crystal embroidery platform high heel sandals to wear at different places. For examples, dance parties, evening parties, and marriage parties. So friends, I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs and more ideas. So friends, update wardrobe with these glamorous, beautiful high heel sandals. When you wear of these stylish sandals, you can look more beautiful and more confident. So friends, if you want to buy them online, then I will tell you the best website from where you can buy them from Amazon.com, ap.com and aliexpress.com. In this video, these different high heel sandals and trendy footwears, beautiful sold colors, beautiful stylish ideas, which is the about the latest trending ideas from all over the world for women of 2022. All these collections of these pointed, open, and square to high heel sandals you can use to make your personality elegant and gorgeous and look young and beautiful. So, dear friends, if you are fashion lovers and you want to know the latest beautiful high heel sandals and trendy footwears and beautiful shoes collections trends in fashion, then subscribe my channel. And if you have already subscribed my channel, then please press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my upcoming and uploading videos. So friends, if you like my videos, then share with your friends, families and relatives. So friends, also tell me in the comment section that how was the videos and how was the designs. So goodbye friends till the next videos. See you soon with another beautiful next videos about from different foreign countries high heel sandals for the ladies and the girls. Allah Hafiz.